Welcome to the Universal Group of Institution, Bangalore. I am Lavanya. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi gifted Jharkhand Sohrai painting art to Russian President Vladimir Putin during the recent BRICS summit in Kazan. Sohrai painting is a traditional form of art practiced by tribal communities primarily in Jharkhand, India, particularly among the Munda, Oraon and Santhal tribes. These paintings hold cultural and ritualistic significance and are closely tied to the harvest season. They are traditionally created on the walls of village homes during the Sohrai festival, celebrated to mark the harvest and honor the cattle and livestock, which play a critical role in agriculture. Key features of Sohrai painting. Artists use materials which are natural pigments derived from various sources. For example, red is made from red ochre, white from pollen clay, black from charcoal and yellow from turmeric or flower pollen. These pigments are applied using twigs, fingers or broken cones rather than brushes, giving the artwork a unique rustic texture. Sohrai painting typically depicts animals like cow, bird and deer, plants and agricultural themes, symbolizing prosperity and fertility. Geometric patterns and motifs inspired by nature are also common, often embedding symbols of spiritual protection and growth. The technique of Sohrai painting are collaborative with multiple family members, especially women. Contributing to the design, the intricate art requires layering, colors to add depth and detail. The cultural significance of these paintings is believed to bring good luck and protect the home from negative influences. The Sohrai festival, when these paintings are made, also involves rituals for the cattle and blessing for a fruitful harvest, blending art with agrarian lifestyle. Initiatives are taken to preserve and appreciate Sohrai paintings as it faces challenges from modern developments and dwelling interest among the younger generation. The art has gathered attention for its aesthetic and cultural value and has been incorporated into various handicraft and products as a way to support the local artist. Sohrai painting is not only an art form but a vital part of the tribal identity and heritage in Jharkhand. Its visual style, marked by bold lines and natural colors, reflects a deep connection with the land, animals and the rhythms of traditional agricultural life. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you all. Until the next time, take care, keep learning.